cast iron pump with big bore cylinder and piston, combined with greater bore and stroke, delivers maximum performance. Substantially lower noise levels with a large 1720 rpm pump, enabling greater displacement at lower RPM. Low amp draw reduces incidences of tripped breakers and voltage drop that can cause premature motor failure. Oil lubricated provides cooler running pump, minimizes wear. The MAC700 is powered by a 2.0 HP motor. The Makita big bore engineered pump with cast iron cylinder has greater bore and stroke for increased compression, faster recovery, and less noise. The cast iron construction is engineered for increased durability even under tough job site conditions. The MAC700 has an oil lubricated pump and is equipped with a large automotive-style filter for increased air intake and greater efficiency. The big bore oil lubricated pump is also more efficient. The MAC700 runs cooler and at half the RPM of most competitive units, resulting in greater motor and pump life and lower noise. The 2.6-gallon tank sustains an operating pressure of 130 psi and delivers 40 psi, 3.8 CFM, and 90 psi, 3.3 CFM. The low amp draw reduces instances of tripped breakers and voltage drop that can cause premature motor failure. The roll bar handle provides portability and additional protection, helping it withstand harsh job site environments. Additional features include a convenient oil drain and oil sight glass, a tank drain valve that supersedes standard petcock design for easier maintenance, and finned discharge tubing that dissipates heat more efficiently.